Let's assume we have 2 points. Let's call this A, call this other point B. So we have 2 points on the circumference of the circle. If we draw a line from point A to the center of the circle like this, and we'll draw another line from B to O like this, these 2 lines will form an angle at the center of the circle. Let's also assume there is a 3rd point at the circumference of the circle. And let's call this point C. Let us also draw a line from A to C like this. We will also draw another line from B to C like this. These 2 lines, that is line AC and line BC, will also form an angle at the circumference of the circle. If the angle at C, that is angle ACB, is X, the angle at O at the center of the circle, that is angle AOB, will be 2x. Let's write that down. If angle ACB is equal to x, then angle AOB will be 2x. This means that if angle AOB is equal to 30 degrees, angle ACB, this means that if angle ACB is equal to 30 degrees, angle AOB will be 60 degrees. That is 2 times 30 degrees. If angle ACB is equal to 50 degrees, then angle AOB will be 2 times 50 degrees, and that will give us 100 degrees. But why is it always like that? Because the angle subtended at the center of a circle is twice the angle subtended at the circumference by the same arc. This is Circle Theorem 1. It says that this angle at the center of the circle is twice the angle formed or subtended at the circumference of the circle by the same arc. AB is an arc, and AB forms an angle at the center of this circle. AB also formed another angle at the circumference of the circle. The value of the angle at the center is 2 times that at the circumference. That is what this theorem is saying. Now let's demonstrate this using some example. This is the example here. It says in the circle above, angle POQ is equal to 86 degrees. Find angle PROQ. Now this is angle POQ, 86 degrees. And this is angle PROQ, the angle at the circumference. Remember Circle Theorem 1. It says that the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So let's see the solution. And POQ is equal to 86 degrees. But Theorem 1 says angle POQ is twice 2 times angle PROQ. Since we know POQ to be 86 degrees, it means that 86 degrees here will be equal to 2 times angle arrow Q. We're interested in angle P arrow Q, so we remove 2. How? By division. We say 86 degrees divided by 2 is equals to 2 times angle P arrow Q divided by 2. So 2, we strike out 2, and 2 here will give us 43 degrees. So we have 43 degrees equal to angle P arrow Q. Therefore, the required angle P arrow Q is equal to 43 degrees. Subscribe to this channel for more simplified mathematics tips like this. This is another example. It says O is the center of the circle above, and angle XZY is 33 degrees. Find angle XOY. XZY is 33 degrees. What about XOY? Let's see the solution. Given that angle XZY is 33 degrees, according to Circle Theorem 1, the angle at the center, angle XOY, is equal to 2 times the angle at the circumference, angle XZY, angle XZY. Now, angle XZY is 33 degrees. This means that angle XOY is equal to 2 times 33 degrees. And if you multiply that, what do we have? It means that angle XOY is equal to 66 degrees. Circle Theorem 1 simply means that angle at the center is equal to 2 times angle at circumference, or angle at circumference is equal to half the angle at the center. Subscribe for more simplified lessons.